YouTube, this is Channel Pack Booster, and today we have a Mega Rayquaza collection box. Now, I mainly bought this box for the Mega Rayquaza figurine, but it comes with a pretty nice promo as well. So we'll just get the box opened. Oh, give you a tour of the box. This is Mega Rayquaza on the bottom there, to the side, and here also says it on this side, and the back, Mega Rayquaza rules the skies, which I've seen other boxes and they have much better writing than that. Yep, barcode, everything. So open this up. Okay. Move the box. The back. Yep. Alright. Flip this upside down. There's the code. Now the way this works is I'll keep the code for the box, but you guys can take all the other codes, all the booster codes. I will do that for each box that I haven't opened yet. However, if I open another Mega Rayquaza, you can have the code. Alright, now the main attraction, the figurine, which is Mega Rayquaza with some clouds, it looks like. So that's pretty nice there. Put him back there. Now just lower the camera down so that we get cards. Alright, that is that, and we've got the promo, which is a holo Rayquaza. It's a Black Star promo, an XY64. So, yep. Now for boost packs, we have 2 Roaring Skies, 1 Phantom Forces, and 1 Primal Clash. So we'll go with we'll go in that order, so that the 2 Roaring Skies will go first and last. Alright. Now I'll have to open from the bottom. Yep. Ooh, we'll put the that at the back there. Now there's the code for you guys. Took it from the back. We've got Skyfield, Mega Turbo, Winona, Voltorb, Gliga, Shuppet, Meowth, Cascoon, a reverse Altaria, and the rare in this pack is not an Ultra. Ooh, that is really nice. A holo Deoxys. That is really nice. Put that in the back with Rayquaza. Alright, on to Phantom Forces. Code for you guys. 1 sec. Now, make sure to only take one of those codes at a time, and tell me what you get in the comment section below. Battle Compressor, Loudred, Manectric Spirit Link, Dino, Gliga, Dedenne, here we go, Alomomola, yep, I think, Totodile, a reverse Totodile, and not an Ultra, a regular, rare, Yen Mega. Okay, onto Primal Clash. There's the code. We've got a Buffalant, Celio, Escape Rope, Nose Pass, Volbeat, Spinda, Mudkip, Phoebus, and the reverse of a Seadra. And the rare in this pack is not an ultra, a regular rare Delcatty. Alright. Last booster pack. Now let's give this all of our luck and hope we get either a full art or something ultra rare at least. I'll also be fine with a holo, but considering we only got one. Code. From the back. Electrode. Double Dragon Energy. Dragonair. Execute. Fletchling. Pikachu. Pidove. Bagon. The reverse of a Natu. And the rare is not an ultra. Ooh. An Ancient Trade Holo Foil Dragonite. That is really nice. Alright. To recap, we've got our Dragonite, Deoxys, our Rayquaza promo card, and Mega Rayquaza. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Also comment on the comment section below on what you got in those codes, and thank you.